Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today I'll be working on my new Leycastle layout, which is my larger folding layout. Today we'll be adding all the grass and all the roads, and also tidying up a few other bits. But quickly before we get onto the plan today, I have swapped over the switchboard because this one annoyed me. So now I've got some individual switches. I still need to solder them and also test them out, but they're in place and I can get to work with that in between videos. But that's the progress of it, and this is completely useless. So yes, so that's going over there. Right. Yes, today's plan is to add all the roads. So I printed them, some of them all out. I had to do them black and white because my printer is having a funny with the colours. So luckily roads tend to be black or white, well, mostly grey, but that tends to work, so that's what we'll be doing. I have also got some paths, which luckily tend to be black and white, or grey again, and yeah, that'll be the first bit, which will be adding all the roads in and getting them all tidy and neatly done. Then adding all the grass, which I've got a fair amount of. Hopefully that is enough. Luckily I don't have to do that corner, so that's a plus. Unfortunately I do have to do the other three corners, so we'll see what we can do. Got tons of glue, that'll do. And I've also got some newspaper printers to help keep the floor clean. And I have got an idea for the tunnel entrances, which is I'm going to be making them out of foam board. This is just some cheap foam board. It seemed to do the job, and I'll be building that while waiting for stuff to dry. So yes, I might be able to put the brick paper on. Hopefully I have got some spare. If not, I'll have to borrow the other printer, which is downstairs, and just print off some brick paper and hopefully do it that way. But yes. Or I'll just spray paint it grey and it'll be concrete. But that's one option. But yes, first things first is we glue down all the roads. If I run out of roads, which I shouldn't do, I think that's probably enough. That'll do. I'll get it tight. We'll see what happens. If not, I can just print some more off and then glue all that lot down as well. Anyway, I'm going to stop yapping on and actually get to work. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Right, here we are after letting the glue dry a little bit. It's turned out quite nicely there. There are still a few patches which I need to touch up, but luckily I have got my puffer bottle just to well, basically touch up the slightly bold spots. But and yeah, there is a few bits like this. This bit here. But yeah, I'm just gonna I'll hide that with some greenery just to help get that down. May need to do that along the entire thing. Also, I did forget the. I haven't forgotten, but come on, give me the box. Give me the box. There we go. I have begun work on the tunnel entrances. However, they're just like that for now. If that's the right way around. And I may need some tape under there. And yeah, that's for the other one. That can stay there for now. But yeah, I have begun work on them. However, like I said, the printer isn't printing colour. So yeah, I'll just have to leave them like that for now. But yeah, it's turned out quite nice. But yeah, hopefully by next video I would have touched up all the little bits and pieces and hopefully get them tunnel entrances done, and then I can start work on the buildings. I think the first one which I'll do, well, first things first, is probably finish off the station. So I'll finish off the station and do the other railway buildings, which will be the signal box here and the goods shed. So yes, that'll be for next video. And yeah, hopefully I'll also get them switches done as well. So yes, hopefully things will be working by then. At least in some form or another. Anyway, I'm going to put this underneath my bed for now and let some more glue dry. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. So do let me know down below if you, well, do hope you enjoyed the video. If you do like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I don't know what that bit is there. And if you didn't like the video, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But yeah, that'll be it. And I'll see you all again next time. So take care now. Bye-bye. Very nice shot. Take care now.